I'm going to show you how to create a shoe rack using PVC pipes. Girls, you need this. What we need is PVC pipes, a hot glue gun, and some binder clips. Let's get started. The first step is to decide on the layout. And I'm going to make a marking at each joining point. Now I'm going to work on the base. Apply a strip of glue down the marking points. And next, I'm going to secure the point with a binder clip. Now I have secured the layers, it's time to stack it up. There you go, your own personalized shoe rack made of PVC pipes. An alternative way to organize your shoes.